And the people at that time, many people will fall away from their belief because
Yes.
what about that?
So that would be before the 1,000-year reign. Yep. So there are some people have like you can have that the Christians will be pulled out before a pre-tribulation. We leave and then all of the bad things happen, the rapture and everything. Or some people say, oh no, we're going to be here during part of it and we'll get out in the middle. Or some people say, nope, we're not going to get out until the end. I believe the Bible more strongly supports the that we all get raptured out of here and then all of these bad things start happening. The scrolls unfold, the book of Revelation goes through. And at that time is when the devil will start tempting people, because what's going to happen is some people say, well, if all the Christians leave in the beginning of the rapture, how does anyone come to know Jesus if there's no one here? They come from, so the 144,000 Jews that are left, they are going to, at that point in time, realize, like, this is why I was born. And they're going to go out and preach. They're going to get killed. They're going to get tortured, all kinds of horrible things. And people are going to come to know Jesus. But now this 144,000, of course, may not be able to reach the whole world. And so how will some other people know if they didn't hear about that? Because it's not like it'll be televised or radio or anything. We have no idea. But if, let's say, I leave, there's probably somebody that I talked to one time that's like, what happened to the Spencer? Where is this guy? And then they'll be like, oh, wow, maybe this happened and he is gone like he said. And then they could come to believe just through connecting the dots of what possibly happened. And they would be saved at that point too. And so during that period of time is when the tempter will be here, Antichrist, and many people will fall away.